programmers, welcome to Programmers Colloquy. In today's class we are going to talk about distinct keyword in SQL. The distinct keyword in SQL is used in conjunction with SQL statement to eliminate all the duplicate records and fetching only the unique records. Let us see the syntax of distinct first. It is used with select and then distinct keyword, and the column name comes for which you want the unique values, and then from and the table name. Let us see through example. I'll use my database Shivala, and then I want to describe the table which is EMP. So it has ID, name, salary, hire date, nationality, department number. So in our table department number is repeated many times. Let us first use select, and then I want to see department number and nationality because I have taken these values, the duplicate values for these columns. Nationality from EMP. So as you can see, the department number is repeated many times. That means 101 is appearing for 4 record, and the same way nationality also is repeated. US is there, null, and then Indian is there. So I'll use distinct for one of these column. I'll use select distinct. The column name I'll take as department number, from, and then table name. So as you can see, now when I have used distinct with department number, the value is showing on, it is showing only unique values. Distinct can also be used for column which has null value, and whenever distinct is used, the only one null value is returned in the result. No matter how many null values are there in the column. For example, I'll use distinct for my column nationality. Now you can see US is appearing once, null, and Indian. Now as you can see here in the table, we have 2 null values for nationality column and 3 values for Indian. So you can see the distinct removes the duplicate records. That's all for today's class. We'll meet in next class. I hope you understood, and if you have understood the video, please hit like button, and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching.